Welcome back to this 9-part tutorial series. In parts 5 and 6 we're covering some of the measurement toolbox features. In this session we'll be specifically focusing on ClipBoxes. Before we start, we're just going to make a few adjustments to the visual look of the data. So I'm going to go to the setting tabs and I'm just going to switch off X-ray mode. I'm also going to refine my point size down a bit. As we're just going to be working with our point cloud data, we're just going to hide our line work and models from the visibility menu. I want to create a couple of clip boxes so you get the idea of how we can use these. So firstly we'll create a clip box around the main building and we'll hide the trees and the foliage. So under the measurement tool menu we've got this cube icon and that's our clip box option. So I can select that and place it in my scene. It gives me an option to rename it, which would be useful if I have a lot of these, but in this case I'm going to leave it as it is. So now I want to extend that to fill my scene. I'm going to press spacebar. So as you can remember, this opens our model edit tab. So we have scale, rotate and translate options here, equivalent to ERT on the keyboard. So I'm going to select my clip box and I'm going to press E to scale. I'm then going to pull the gimbal's axis out. Then I'm going to press R to rotate and I'm just going to rotate it slightly in the Z axis. So now I'm going to press spacebar to go back into normal navigation mode. So as you can see, it's highlighted the area that I'm interested in. And all I want to do now is go to my data management tab and click on ClipBoxes. So here I can see the clip box that I've created. So now I can click on inner clipping, or I can click on outer clipping and hide the outer area. We can also hide the clip box as well, just to show the data. And there we go, nice and simple. We can create multiple clip boxes. So I'm going to switch these back on so I can see my data. And I'm going to create another box, just down in the corner here. We've got some small buildings in the scene which are just hidden by the trees. So we'll create a little clip box just to capture that. I'm just going to hide the first clip box once I've created my second one so it doesn't interfere when I'm trying to scale it. Okay, so let's switch the outer clipping back on and see what it looks like. And there you go. Now we have our small area isolated. We can now add our larger clipping box too. And that's it, we've now got 2 clipping boxes created. I'm just going to save that out as a new state. In the next session we'll be looking at the measurement tools, including distance, heights, points and spot heights, and also creating a profile too. I look forward to seeing you then.